Hello pupils, today we will discuss on how can we use formula to perform calculations in the program Microsoft Excel. So let's read the first question. Using formula, calculate total for each month, where total is equal to number of males plus number of females. So, the first point is, in every formula we must type equal to. At the start of every formula, you must type equal to. Then the next step, you type bracket. Shift 9 to obtain a bracket. Then what must we add? Male plus female, close bracket, and then enter. Let's do the second one. Equal to bracket. You click on the value of male plus, and then you click on the value for female. You close bracket and then you press enter. Now there is a much easier way so that we can perform the calculation here much faster. You will ask me how? Observe well. The first one is B2 plus C2. The second one is B3 plus C3. Therefore, we are adding the value in B plus the value in C. So, there is a common pattern in between. So, instead of doing the calculations one by one, you calculate only the first one. You bring your mouse near the green square here, and then you pull your mouse down. The calculations will be done automatically. Now, the next question. Using formula, calculate total for number of males and number of females. What must we do here? We must add the values for number of males, and here we must calculate the total for number of females. When you have several values to add, you will use the formula sum. You type equal to, you type sum, S-U-M, you open bracket, then you select all the values that you have to add, and then you close bracket and you press enter. The same for female, equal to sum bracket, and we select all the values of females, close bracket, and then we press enter. Now let's work another example. Here we must use formula to calculate profit, where profit is equal to selling price minus buying price. So to calculate profit, we must take the value of selling price minus buying price. So in every formula we type equal to first, then we enter our bracket, we click on selling price minus buying price, we close bracket and then we press enter. Same here, we will do selling price minus buying price. Therefore, it is the value in column C minus the value in column B. Same for trousers, the value in column C minus the value in column B. So, instead of doing one by one, we come near the first answer. We bring our mouse near the green square and then we pull down. The answers will be calculated automatically. Next question. Using formula, calculate total profit. What must we do? We must add all the values of profit. So when we have lots of values to add, what formula will we use? We will use the formula of sum. So equal to sum, open bracket, then we select all the values of profit, close bracket, and then we press enter. This is the value of total profit. Now, let's move to another example. Here, using formula, calculate total price, where total price is equal to unit price multiplied by quantity. So here, total price is equal to unit price multiplied by quantity. So equal to bracket, we click on the value of unit price multiplied by the value of quantity, close bracket, and then we press enter. Same here for biscuit. It is the value of unit price multiplied by quantity. Same for milk. Unit price multiplied by quantity. Instead of doing one by one, we can calculate it automatically. Now, the next question. Using formula, calculate the average unit price. To calculate average, what is the formula? The formula is equal to, you type the word average, open bracket, then you select all the values of unit price, close bracket, and then you press enter. So this is the average value for unit price. Now let's work this example. Using formula, calculate speed, where speed is equal to distance covered divided by time taken. So speed is equal to distance covered divide by time taken. So we write the formula equal to bracket. We click on the value of distance covered, divide by the value of time taken, close bracket, and then we press enter. So this is the speed. Here again, for the second one, we will take distance covered, divide by time. So it is value in column B, divide by value in column C for each one. So instead of doing one by one, we come near the first value. We bring our mouse near the green square and then we pull down and the value will be calculated for us. Now next question. Using formula, calculate time taken by the persons. What must we calculate? We must calculate the total time. We must add all these values. So what is the formula? It is the formula of sum equal to sum open bracket and then we select all the values for time taken, close bracket, and then we press enter. Next question. Using formula, calculate the average speed by the persons. So we must calculate the average of the values we obtain for speed. What is the formula for average? Equal to average open bracket. Then we select all the values for speed, close bracket, and then we press enter. Next question. Using formula, calculate the maximum time taken by the person. So what is the formula for maximum? The formula is equal to max. You type the word max, open bracket, then you select all the values for time taken, close bracket, and then you press enter. The maximum value, the largest value for time taken is 9.66. Next question. Using formula, calculate the minimum value of speed of the persons. We must calculate the smallest value of the speed. So, what is the formula for minimum? Is equal to min. You type min. Min, open bracket. Then you select all the values of speed, close bracket, and then you press enter. So this is the minimum speed. So let's do a summary of the formulas. To add values, you type equal to bracket, you click on the first value, then you press the symbol plus, and then you select the second value, close bracket, and then you press enter. Now, if you have to add more values like 10 values, 15 values, or 6 values, you can use you must use. It is much easier. So you use the formula is equal to sum. You type the word sum, open bracket, you select all values that we must add, you close bracket, and then you press enter. Now to subtract, you type equal to the first value minus, you press on minus, then you select the second value. It depends on the questions and where your value are. So you take one value minus the other value. Same to multiply. To multiply, you type equal to bracket first value multiply by second value. Same to divide, you type equal first value divide by second value. To calculate average, you type equal to, you type the word average completely, you open bracket, you select all the values required, and then you close bracket. To calculate minimum, what is the formula? Equal to, you type min, open bracket, you select all the values required, close bracket, and then you press enter. To calculate maximum, you type equal to max, open bracket, then you select all the values required, close bracket, and then you press enter. And remember, between the equal to bracket and the formula that you are entering, there are no space in between. If you type space in between, you may obtain errors. So when you type it well. Equal to bracket, select first value plus second, or average. You must type it like this, and you must not leave space in between. So I hope that you have understood how we use formula to perform calculations, especially in the program Excel. Thanks for your attention.